Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by confirming prerequisites. Check your phone model, OS version, and whether your carrier allows disabling alerts. Some do not. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and that any profiles or DND rules are noted. Now open Settings and type Emergency or Alerts in the search bar. This gets you directly to the System Control Panel, where those messages are managed. You're ready for the first actionable changes without extra setup delay. On Android, navigate to Settings, Apps and Notifications, Advanced Emergency Alerts, wording varies, and toggle off the alert types you don't want. Some models hide it under Safety or Additional Settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, Notifications, scroll to the bottom, and toggle off Amber Alerts, Emergency Alerts, or Public Safety Alerts. Make sure to turn off individual categories rather than broad services if you want selective silencing. Remember, carrier-mandated presidential alerts may be non-disableable, and that's why you might still see some. Once you've turned off the switches, reboot the phone to apply settings, then revisit the alert page to confirm they remain off. If alerts persist, update your OS and carrier settings and contact your carrier. Some alerts are pushed at the network level and cannot be disabled on device. As a fallback, create a Do Not Disturb schedule or silent notification profile to mute sound and vibration while leaving mandatory alerts visible. Troubleshooting tip: if toggles won't save, remove carrier profiles or reset network settings before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.